Welcome back on another episode where I'm gonna try attempt to fix these headlight. I'm gonna try attempt to fix the tops. Got some tops headlight to pick up from the scrap yard, but it don't have any tops. Missing the tops. I'm gonna try see if I can put the tops on from this one and try cut it off using these tools, and then I try attach it. So stay with us. Alright? Stay tuned.
Small little chopping pot. We're at the Canadian Tire. Ow! Don't like it. Let's see what we can get first. So we're in the auto section. Auto. I wanted to change the spark plugs, but I'm getting something with the spark plugs. These were the headlights that I was using, they burn so fast. Now I have to go back to something like these. $19. To get somebody to come help me out. But first, we're gonna go get the oils and stuff first. Like, where are all the oil filters? Like, only mobile alone I'm seeing standing out. Like, where are all the oil filters, man? So if you don't know your oil filter, you can come here, type in your car, type in your year car. Mine is a 07 or card. You select the engine type. And then it will show you everything, yeah? So you go to oil filter. Sorry, we find none that much. That's either they don't have any, which it should show you, even though they don't have any. You can tell that. You see how much time they're taking picture, man? The iPad taking so much picture, man. Look. You don't see that. You don't see that with just bare eyes. But yeah, let's see this again. Wait, let's find one. Okay, let's go back. Let's go all. Nothing? That's weird. Manage vehicle. Let's do this back over again. 07. Honda. Accord. 2.4. It's either they don't have any oil or whatever going off. Yeah, they probably don't have nothing fine for that, so. Nothing there for that, so that's how that worked out. Oh man. So as you can see, I came back to do the Ford Escape, and they gave us these ones. I don't know none of these brands. I usually get the red, the Master. Yeah. I never use these ones, so if there's ever no I recommend, you know. They'll show 4.5 stars. So it's 2.5 stars, so I guess either one of those two. And then they show the part number and everything, so you can get it. So let's show you this. This is an example. This is CPH 3614 certified. I think it's down here. Yeah, CPH 3614. So this is what I would have get for the Ford. I think I want to get it now. I don't want to get it now, because I'm not doing the Ford yet. I'm only doing the headlight. But you know what, let's get it. So here it comes to the oil. This is the cheapest out of all of them. So I'm set to get 32,000 miles. Advanced low synthetic motor oil. I usually use the same oil. Yeah, it's a 5 liter. I usually use the same oil, the same brand of the filter that I'm using. Usually they go well together. But I think I'm going to take this one. It's much cheaper. I'm going to go cheap today because I'm getting a lot of stuff. So, or should I just go somewhere different? Because I don't get the filter.
So with other, got two bottles of oil. Yeah, so we came in this aisle. Hope we could find a brake cleaner. I think I have a brake cleaner, so I'm not going to grab a brake cleaner. Just need to get the necessary needs. So, here's all the different, hold on man, why do I have this shit stuck up like beer stocks? So, we're here to look for the type of refrigerant for my car. I think this is it right off the bat. 134A, and this is like a leak stop. This one what? This is for truckers. Oh, I guess it's like the same thing. But this one is a seal, this one is a oil, this one is a dye, I don't know, this one is for the leak stop. So here's the actual AC one. I think it's the same thing, but majority of them have the thing that in it, the die light. And some of them have like maybe the sealant in it. I like to get onto the seal. But right now I don't even know what the heck I'm going to get, because this is just too small. But I'm gonna have to go get some help. Yeah.
So after we decided what I wanted to do, as you see it look like it brand new. I just kind of make a L shape, keep some of the heavy structure, the good structure, and then pieces this up and patch it on like that. So stay tuned for the next piece. So it is so far. I'm gonna patch up this side now. Yeah, so finish, drop it in, screw it up so it looks like. I couldn't do much with it. Whatever you see is how it is. Already put that in, screw it up, whatever. Light works. There's no power in it, so I'm gonna have to come back. I already tested already and tried. Everything good. Everything gone back to seam. Yes, I just seen down. I could wanna push out, like just to get back the seam for here. But yeah, let's see how it is. Let me shut it down. Oh, I got back a headlight, but you can tell it look off. You can tell how it sit off. Something sitting off right here. Yeah, this section is off. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, I got in another little. Yeah, it's crazy how these things just sit right on the freaking light. Yes, I never see him properly. So I guess that's how it's supposed to look. This side tight up here so and then it release out here so. Slowly. This side not too tight but yes really loose. But whatever. Nevertheless, a headlight is in shape. Good shape. That's it.
And all my dog, them with me. My family, them with me. Oh Lord.